नमस्कार, हांव सौमिता बांदेकर, प्रिंसिपल श्री दामोदर हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल ऑफ सायन्स मडगांव. आज आमी हांगा 20वें विज्ञान प्रकल्प प्रदर्शन सुरू केलां. आमी हें खरें 2005 ह्या सालान सुरू केल्लें आमच्याच शाळेन एक 10-12 मडगांवची स्कुलां घेवन. पूण आज हांगा जवळ जवळ 44 स्कुलां गोंयभरच्यान आयिल्लीं आसा. तशेंच 25 हायर सेकंडरी गोंयभरच्यान आयिल्लीं आसा आनी ताणें आपलो प्रकल्प हांगा मांडिल्ले आसा. आमची एक सायन्स हायर सेकंडरी आशिल्ल्यान आमचें कर्तव्य आशिल्लें की भुरग्यां मदीं विज्ञाना विशीं जागृकता ताचो कसो आमी उपयोग करप माणुसकीच्या नदरेंतल्यान आनी तांकां कशें आमी मुखार प्रेरीत करप हाका लागून आमी हें विज्ञान प्रदर्शन प्रकल्प सुरू केल्लो आसा. आनी आमकां उमेद आसा आनी खूब आनंद जाला की आज इतल्या लेवलाचेर ती हांगा पाविल्ली आसा. आमकां जागो कमी पडटा आनी चड स्कुलां आमी आस्पाव घेवंक शकना.
सो तुमी कितें प्रायजां बीन कशें कितें दिता?
आमी प्रायजां दिल्ली आसा. 3 व्हडल्यो ट्रॉफी प्रत्येक ग्रुपान. आमचे 3 ग्रुप आसा. ग्रुप ए 5वी ते 7वी, ग्रुप बी जावन आसा 8वी ते 10वी आनी ग्रुप सी जावन आसा 11वी आनी 12वी. सो तिनूय ग्रुपांनी आमचे पयले प्रायज आसता 2,500 रुपया प्लस एक व्हडली ट्रॉफी आसा. दुसरे प्रायज आसता 2,000 रुपया, तिसरे प्रायज आसता 1,500 रुपया आनी 4 कॉन्सुलेशन उत्तेजनात प्रायजां आमी दवरिल्लीं आसा 1,000चे. अशें करून आमी भुरग्यांक ट्रॉफी दिवन सर्टिफिकेट दिवन आनी कॅश प्रायज दिवनूय तांकां इन्स्पायर करता.
There are many cases where like forest fire and all is there. Have you heard about it? So we have just come up with it. So this is a camera car which roams around the area 24/7, a patrolling car. This is the camera which can detect fire. If it detects fire, it sends a signal to this car. So whenever it sends a signal to this car, so there will be a patrolling station. So this car will be situated over there. So whenever there are 3 flame sensors over here. So whenever they detect fire, they send a signal to the Arduino, which triggers the relay. It starts the water boiling. So if the fire very far behind, so we have added motors on it to make it go forward. So there is a motor driver controlling it here. Further damage. So this can reduce forest fires. Every forest has one of these robots. So these robots are very efficient in their work. And the surveillance cars. This will be there in the patrolling office. So all the fire brigades can be situated over there. So whenever it sees fire, it sends a signal to the office staff. So that office staff will send this robot in the forest fire to extinguish the fire.
We are from the Infant Teachers Higher Secondary School, Kolua. Our project is Smart Stick for Blind People. The Smart Stick for Blind People is designed to help visually impaired persons to navigate safely and independently without depending on others. The project uses an ultrasonic sensor which detects the obstacle in front of the user. The system immediately sends the signals to the Arduino Nano, which has coding. It activates the buzzer and the blind people can change the direction and avoid accidents.
So we have used ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Nano chip, a 9-volt battery and switch and other electronic components. I will give a slide demonstration of this project. Please suppose I am a blind person. So I am using a stick.
This is obstacle in
And suppose this is the obstacle. So it will give a big sound. If there is no obstacle, it will not give a big sound. If suppose there is an obstacle, it will help a blind person to change his direction of path. It can be further modified by using vibration motor, GPS tracking and other components. So this is low cost and light weighted project.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.